Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily updates on Bitcoin. We have enough to talk about. Yesterday afternoon, I actually did do a middle of the day market update, but I completely forgot to upload it. So we have to talk about some news as well, because yesterday afternoon we got some major news with the jobless numbers. Which were all bearish, or at least all the initial and continuing jobless claims were higher than expected, and that is overall considered as a bullish result for crypto. But what we saw and what we have seen since then is that, yeah, sure, we had a bit of a retracement, but the dollar strength index remains very, very strong. All right, and a strong dollar is bearish for crypto. Maybe there's still changes. We are getting towards some strong resistance levels. So at those levels, maybe we can actually start talking about a bullish Bitcoin again. But no, that and what that caused is that we dropped down below our main support level here at 65,400. And right now, I think we continue to be bearish. You could make a case for some sort of a consolidation here on the 1 hour time frame, but I think that's a very hard case to make. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, you can see we're trending down. I think if you look at the daily time frame, it's also not looking great, but then you can also you can always still say that we are consolidating, right? So that we are consolidating here between 72,000 and 60,000, and I also do think that is more the situation we have to talk about right now. All right, there's some there's significant support at 64,000, but at this moment there's in my opinion there's nothing bullish. All right, and then we also had the news yesterday of the German government moving Bitcoin to exchanges, potentially selling it off. We got the news that Michael Saylor already was buying Bitcoin in this drop, all right? So that means that even though he bought millions and millions and millions of dollars in Bitcoin, it didn't really hold up the price that well. So yeah, that's all bearish, all right? Now, when we talk about today, Friday, even though the Fridays over the last couple of, the last two Fridays were very bearish, right? We had some major sell-offs. But Fridays in general can be a very counter trend day. All right, so where if the trend in the week is bullish, that we have a very bearish Friday, or if the trend in the week is bearish, that we have a bullish Friday. So I do want to clear up. I think we're bearish, and I think you should expect us to be bearish. All right, so like I said, strong support at 64,000, but I think it's most likely that we will respect the resistance here, and that will drop down towards our next major resistance support level, at 62 and 61,000. I think that's most likely, because nothing else is pointing in towards a different direction. Like I can talk about the fundamentals of Bitcoin in the next couple of months. So then I expect a weaker dollar strength index. We have the Ethereum ETF coming up. That is all true. But at this moment, that's not the case. All right, so that's kind of the situation right now. You can see right here, I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, you can see that the open interest has gone up quite a bit here. But then at the same point of time, we have a negative CVD. So that's also a potential for today. I mean, this basically what this means is that short orders are being opened, which is usually a bearish sign, but that also means that we could have some sort of a short squeeze. And a day like today, on a Friday, even though the volume across the markets right now is relatively high, a day like today can actually be a great day to get a short squeeze like that. I mean, you can look at the liquidation heat map, for example, right here, and there are quite a lot of shorts to be liquidated, and we can get all the way up to 67,000. So that's a potential for today. So if you see, let's say towards the end of the day, if all of a sudden you see a lot of bullish momentum, and I will still keep you updated on this, so don't worry. But if you see that, then there's a high chance at a short squeeze. If you just see a continuation or just in general like a lack of movement, I think it's most likely that we will drop down lower, and I think that's what you should assume. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.